definitely a more mature age, so more experienced, diba? Kasi when I was starting, I just know how to sing. I just know how to carry a tune. And nung time na yun, I was singing without really knowing the meaning of the song I was singing. Di ba nung bata ka? But then again, through the years, ang tanda, through the years, and after the musicals din, doon ko natutunan na intindihin lahat ng kinakanta ko, lahat ng mensahe na dapat mong iparating whenever I perform on stage.
So you learned a lot from, what particular lesson you've learned or you've gotten from doing musicals?
From doing musicals, authenticity. That's number one. Kasi you have, before people believe you have to be true, and that's when you will believe yourself first, diba? So that's number one. And syempre work ethics din, ibang klaseng disiplina rin. You have to rehearse over and over and over again before you well, not really perfect something, but at least close to it, hindi ba? Mas minahal mo yung craft mo, mas pinahalagahan mo. Yun yung mga natutunan ko from musicals.
So, going to your Liwanag album.
You see it. Hi! Ganda ko na.
Lahat ng mga natutunan mo na nandito na sa Liwanag?
Well, yes. Actually, it's written there sa mga thank yous ko. This Liwanag was brought to life by, the Liwanag EP was brought to life by this Liwanag song that I wrote back in 2014. Tagal na ito, no? 2014. And surprisingly, yung nasulat ko is, ano siya, literal it's really finding light. Diba? Amidst yung mga pinagdadaanan natin ngayon. So, from that theme, kinausap ko yung mga kaibigan kong kompositor na sabi ko, uy, baka pwede niyo akong tulungan to come up with an EP. EP na nga lang, hindi na album. Kasi hindi na uso yung album di ba? That has this theme, finding light, spreading love and goodness. So, pag narinig niyo itong EP na to, as in good vibes lang talagang dala niya. Positivity, and each song has its own message, and yeah. And this one is really self-produced. So kaya it took long because this is my first time producing my own music. So ang nangyari talagang per song, by my arrangers, I get to, talk to them na, I want this song arranged this way, ganyan. May kwentuhan, may struggles along the way, kaya sobrang saya ko now that it's finally out. And even the music videos, I'm very hands-on with it. Yeah, so yung first, diretso na ako, no? Sige, go ahead.
When you wrote the song, was this during Rock of Ages days?
It was after the first round of Rock of Ages. It was summer. Parang Holy Week yata Holy Week of 2014. And after Rock, honestly, na-miss ko yung pag-record ulit. Yung pagkanta ng sarili mong music. Kasi nakaka-inspire yung Rock, diba? Because, nakaka-inspire yung AGs, their songs, kasi it's been there for like decades. Sabi ko, ano kaya yung sikreto ng AGs? Ano yung sikreto ng mga OPM na mula noon hanggang ngayon tinatangkilik? Yun nga, authenticity, diba? Because they remain true to themselves, like with AGs. Talagang, this is us. We are glam Pinoy rock, diba? So, sabi ko, gusto ko rin ng ganun. Sarap maging authentic sa sarili. Tapos, yun, to find your voice and then share it. So, I think this Liwanag, the song and the whole EP is really sharing a big part of me. Yeah.
All right, Aisel, if I got it right, you won an international award in Kazakhstan, right?
Oh, 20. Tagal na nun.
Yes.
2006.
Oo. Paano naka-apekto sa iyo or paano nag-brought up something good sa career mo yung pagkapanalo mo yun?
Yung pagkapanalo yun, napatunayan ko na kaya ng Pinoy makipagsabayan sa mga international talents. Hindi ba? Kasi hindi naman kami ganun kadami. We're not like 100 contestants. We're not like in Miss Universe, diba? Pero may mga Asians and Europeans. Meron isa si Miss Bulgaria. Actually, two categories yun eh. So I won the other category and she won the other one. Sobrang galing talaga niya. She's a classical singer. Sabi ko lang talagang pagdating sa kantahan, hindi iuro ang Pinoy. Diba? Kahit, lahat kayo kumakanta eh.
Yes. You're related with Eric Santos, right?
I'm not. You know what? Wikipedia is so wrong.
Mm-hmm.
It is so wrong.
It's unreliable source.
It is so unreliable. So I am not. Well, I am friends with Eric.
All right.
Okay? He's a good friend, but I'm not, related to him. And also, Wikipedia, says na I'm the ballad princess. I'm not.
I'm reading it earlier habang pupunta ako dito. So,
believe it.
all right. I stand to be corrected. So, sino pa ang pinakamalaking influence mo in terms of your music? Kasi you're in theater.
Okay. First, siguro I have to say my dad. Tatay ko. Kasi I grew up listening to his playlists. Like, meron siyang mga Stevie Wonder, Earth, Wind and Fire, merong Jackson 5, Aretha Franklin. So medyo mga ego yung kinalakan kong pakinggan. So kung ano yung pinakinggan ng tatay ko, feeling ko yun din yung mga gusto ko hanggang ngayon. So yung taste niya, taste ko rin eh. Sorry, I think I asked for water. Sorry po, salamat tayo.
Last question na lang. Aside from the album that you have right now, saan ka pa namin pwedeng makita, maabangan? And also, kailan ang... may music video ba tong Liwanag na to?
Okay. Yung music video, we just shot it last week. Okay, so nasa editing phase na kami. So, sana in a week or two, may labas na natin siya. And medyo ibang klaseng music video to kasi it's not your typical glam video. Kaya surprise na lang. And then, siguro yung naabangan, recently I've been hosting a segment in Eat Bulaga. It's called Traffic Diva. And nasa pa kami, panahon na tinitest namin kung tatanggapin ng tao, and we've been getting positive feedback. So, sana magtuloy-tuloy.
Alright, one last question pa habang na lang. You said that it is a self-produced album,
yes,
right?
Yes.
Gaano kadugo ang pagpuproduce ng album? And how are you able to align yung mga tao na dapat talagang makasama mo in doing it?
Okay. I'd say, hindi ako nag-isa. So, it was me and si Lord talaga. He's been blessing me with the right people, with the right arrangers, with the right composers. Siyempre, dahil mga kaibigan mo, siyempre lalaman nagpapasalamat ka sa kanila kasi they know that you're doing it alone and bigla na lang, no, you know what, it's okay, we're here, we're willing to help you. So, alam mo, totoo, nagiging very emotional tayo. Sabi mo lang, salamat Lord, parang ito yung meaning ng liwanag, hindi ba? Kasi, totoo, naging journey sa akin itong album na to, this EP. And, yeah, mahirap na masarap. Because honestly, nung nakita ko yung final, syempre nung nilabas siya sa iTunes, ang saya, di ba? Pero nung nakita ko yung physical copy, ay, talaga nandito lang siya sa kama. Yung, memorize ko naman yung tsura niya, pero tatanggalin mo ulit yung mga inserts mo, buksan mo. Nakakilig siya, sobrang nakakilig.
How expensive it is to have a self-produced album?
Nako,
Nadugo.
madugo siya talaga eh. Oo, ganito siya eh. Sa sobrang dugo niya, with the music videos din kasi I shot one of the music videos last year. Yung kapanggalingan ng pag-ibig. That's with Alden. Si Alden, free si Alden nun.
Noon.
Noon, bago pa siya maging Alden nun. So this time, it's another music video shoot. Pag kinulita mo talaga, minsan sa sobrang hands-on ko nga, yung galing talaga sa akin, withdraw ko yung sweldo, staple ko. Recently, I did that. Ginawa ko, ang laki. Tapos may moment ka na, okay, bakit ko ba ginagawa to? Yan, may ganyan kang moment. But sabi ko lang, okay, remember why you do what you're doing, eh? And then, you just go back, and then, okay, because you want to share this light to the people. Because, Liwanag just, for me, Liwanag is the miracles that I've experienced in life. May it be career, may it be family, and the personal relationship with the Lord. So, yeah, yun yung rason why I should be doing this. At ilalako ko talaga yung CD every day.
We'll help you out.
Thank you!